There are tons of stories out there of people finding rare coin collections and bringing them to a pawn shop and getting completely ripped off and scammed, them getting a few $100s when in reality they have coins that are worth thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm going to be going over a few coins that sold for a lot of money that, depending on your financial situation, you could potentially retire from if you came across them. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into this video. Up first, we have a 1932D 25-cent Washington quarter. Now this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 66. It's important to know that 1932 is a very good date for the Washington quarter, and also this one was graded very highly by PCGS. It's important to remember the highest grade we can get in grading is 70, and this one's only a few points away from that perfect grade of 70. This coin sold for $82,250, and if you find a coin like this, you want to keep it safe, keep it secure, and you don't want to get it damaged, because the higher the grade your coin is, the more money it'll bring in auction. Even if you have a 1932 quarter and it's not in this good a condition, it's still going to be worth a lot more money than 25 cents, so keep it safe. Here we have a 1944 1-cent coin. Now this one was struck on a zinc coated seal planchet. This one graded by PCGS, a mint state 64. Now this coin sold for $180,000. Now the chances of you finding a coin like this is pretty rare, but most 1944 pennies are going to be struck on a bronze planchet. This is considered to be a mint error, and that's why it sold for $180,000. Now here's the reverse here. Now this is a 1943S coin struck on a bronze planchet, graded by PCGS, a mint state 63. Now if you have a 1943 penny, it should be struck on a zinc coated steel planchet. This one was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet. So essentially what you need to know is during the war efforts, they were transitioning the coin because they needed bronze for ammunition. There are a few coins out there that accidentally got struck on a bronze planchet like this, and that's why this coin sold for $504,000. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.